There we go. All right, we shall dive right in. So, I am trying to figure out if I'm even muted or not. I guess that's the other one. Seems like I'm not. Perfect. So, that's very difficult. Technical difficulties. There we go. Beautiful. So, what is faster? Say with...
For anyone who has previously...
So he has shown here that if you have a matrix and a vector, and you just you do that operation twice for each column, you will arrive at the matrix multiplication. However, is this easier or faster than the other method? That is what I don't know. Gaming for Hope is live. Snipe him. I'll try. By the end of this, if I happen to play Overwatch. What are you in Overwatch right now? Are you trying to snipe him, Sayanaki? I hope you do. I hope you do. You gotta. Sent to Dangestan Suna? I have no idea what that means. I'm so sorry, Ivana. I'm so sorry. I guess I'm just cooked now with all the context I'm trying to process.
Matrix. Let me talk through that same...
How can I easily test this? So, I guess this is easy enough to do this thing. Matrix multiplication. And we try to get 2 by 2. Okay, what on earth? Dot product. That I don't like that. Is that a 3 by 3 simplification? Wait. Is that a 3 by 3 simplification? And this would be the proper way? Is this step by step way the general works with any matrix case, or is this way and the one above a 3 by 3 simplification that just so happens to be shorter? I'm not sure. That's why I want to ask. It's like weird. Or it's only for square matrices, though I suspect others. So wake at this hour? I know it's crazy, right, Snowy? And he is gold right now. Do you know what server he plays? NA probably, right? Sayanaki. If I had to guess, I'm probably wrong. The column by column way is the proper way, and the one above is not just the 3 by 3 shortcut, it's the entry by entry rule. Which matrix? While this image is a column by column rule. Just viewed from different zoom levels. What do you mean by that? Why? Those are different perspectives, not zoom levels. Am I just misunderstanding the language? Well, I can try to snipe. You can do it. You have a gold 1 account, right, Sayanaki? I think I'm gold 1 as well on the Suna account, I'm pretty sure. And are you also queuing for ranked right now, Snowy? Watch a stream? I can't. I won't. I fail at basic human tasks if I do. The column method. Okay, whatever this is. I'd rather die plus I have an exam tomorrow. Oh, you have an exam as well. I see. What exam are you concerned about, Snowy, tomorrow? Transform it by M2 and those results become the columns of the final matrix. Now transform each column with matrix 2. I don't really get from your image. Take each column of M and M2, and those results become the columns of the final matrix. Now transform each column into M2 or with matrix 2. Yes, and then you arrive at that second column, this, and then you get the full column. One entry at a time. One whole column at a time. Which one is faster? One is faster. Why? There gotta be a faster one. It's Snowy, 85 streak. My god. You cannot take it anymore. Well, I can see that 85 in sequence is not easy one. It's insane. That's insane. Imagine if you got an 85 kill streak. That's how insane that is. Or well, not quite, but you get my point. It's quite the thing. Exams are fucking shit. Fair. And a technology of materials exam tomorrow. Oof. I have an 85 loss streak. I currently have a 8-game loss streak or something like that. Because like the placements on support went so bad on Suna. I'm not sure why, but I guess part of it is a stroke of bad luck. Part of it is, or the bigger part may be skill issue, but you're in bronze, no offense. I simply don't play on my main account right now. I do think I belong somewhere in gold. Can be low gold, can be high gold. That's where I roughly would put it right now. If I'm super lucky, I can end up in diamond. But that's my current that's my current synopsis. I had to guess some mid gold right now on support. But I don't know. I'm not. I am not worthy enough, you know. I'm one step below the gaming for hope. No, gaming for hope is smart. But not me. So what do I do? Adopt gaming for hope's brain and attempts of ever hitting something on tank? I know that he will absolutely demolish me on tank. That's guaranteed. Support? I don't know. I've never seen him play in support, but hey. If any of the skill transfers is to be believed, he probably is better on support than I am. For full matrix basically are the same speed in theory. For the same amount of math, just grouped differently. These are equivalent. What? What about a non-square matrix? Simple case. Can you through that of both methods? Emphasis on methods, right? Is what it is. Is what it is. Tainaki, are you even live right now, by the way? Twitch.tv dash Sayanagi for Hope. Sayanagi for Hope is not there. No. And I'll put them on now. I opened them anyway, so Twitch.tv is. Why does it not appear? Oh, it has an abbreviation. 40 in-game hours, 12 out of 40 hours. Is he doing an unranked 2GM, or is it like... Did he fall back down? For sure, pretty bold to try. Why are we watching Hopeless for Gaming? Because, well, Sayanaki mentioned it, so obviously I have to follow after some time. But initially I wanted to wait a bit. To not intercept my thinking too much. This has to match this. Is this M? Oh, column is J and row is I. Oh, I and J have to match. I and J have to match. I see. The row of the first matrix has to match the column of the second matrix. Good. So, like you don't see this. Okay, maybe now you can. Okay, the stupid arrow. 1 times 2 is 2. Plus 1. 2 times... Okay, 2 is 4, 0. I'm gonna note that down because... So we have 4 on the upper... Why does it have to be like that? Not the ChatGPT. No, I'm basically using ChatGPT as an example, and I'm trying to calculate it. Is addicted to it. Yeah, of course. Why not? If you pay for it. Then I have... Where is it? Oh yeah, here. That's the notation I like more. Like, wait, another problem. Technically, those two are identical matrices, but one is like transformed. It's transformed. Is that the English word for it? Like it's just flipped. Like you can easily, like just like a vector, you can flip it. So like the column vector becomes a row vector and in reverse. So here you could do the same. Imagine paying for it. I need it for programming. For programming, the usage limits actually do matter. I ran into it I think a week ago, but I don't know. As long as you don't program, I don't think you need to, Melon. So I think that's absolutely fair. Image generation might also be better, but I haven't tested that yet. Or at least it gives you more compute time to do things before it aborts compared to the free plan. That will be my imagination. Or that's what I would think. So we have 4 for the first entry, then we have 1 times 0 is 0, minus 2 plus 0. So we have minus 2. Then we have minus 1 times 2 equals minus 2 plus 3 equals 1. So this is 1. And then we have minus 1 times 0 is 0. Minus 3 plus is also 1. Let's see if I'm right. Oh my god! I'm right! Not bad. I made it. See, those two are identical. I am absolutely goated in my head. Easier. Okay, so let me ask about this then now. So about this one. The first is how do you say, row, like if you be, but then it wouldn't work anymore. But wouldn't that mean that if the transform be many cases that won't work normally? Work in the rows and column match. Let's see what the answer is. I'm curious to hear. Oh my god, such a beta. There is unpaid. I have an even better version than that. Like the Ulama. I do have Ulama here. Yeah, but anyways. GPT for now, baby. And then we have a transpose. My bad. AT, yes, exactly, that's what I mean. It's not the same matrix, but allowed to multiply it. It's a different matrix with a different transformation meaning. That's fair. Doesn't it become possible for, if it has the shape of 3 by 2 and 2 by 3, would be perfect, and the transpose of it so the general rule is that if the row first matrix and the columns match, then I can calculate. Isn't it the same? Oh, no, wait. Okay, you're saying this because B is the first matrix and A is the second one. Are you saying this because since B is the first and A is the rows of A and the let's see if I'm right. I do think it's true. Yeah, I know this one is the first one, and it's first. Yeah, that is what I mean. Okay. I will snipe gooning for hope. Did you manage to do so? Did you manage to do so yet? Also, why you didn't stream in like 2 days? I'm here. I'm lurking. I'm ready. I know you're on TikTok too, but come on. I'll leave that. I will try it now. Okay, lock in with the sniping, okay? I'll lock in with the calculation. Maybe 50-50, 50-50. Column B looks like 210. Has also length n. Sure. Oh. Why is it disagreeing with me? You just wanted to clear up the notion of B is the first thing to form and A is the second. Despite reading A first. I think I did it. I think he did Q. There's no way. Okay. You're onto something. You're onto something. Did you actually get into the game of him? There's no way. There's too many online right now. There's too many. Well, he is full cam, so I need to hope. $874. Anyways, nothing of my concern. It is still the same. What do you mean? What do you mean? I think I understood it correctly. What is it saying right now? I said A is last. So if I have a vector or a coordinate space, this one is first. This is so confusing. It's Tuki. Please help by by a crank. Who is it? Wait, are you alive right now, Instuki? Wait. Did it work? Oh, but what was the nerd snipe about? Okay. I thought it was happening live on stream. My bad. But yeah, I think that basic part of it is done. Now I still have to go over this, and then my life will probably be a little bit easier. We will go about, I think that is easier. Operating systems. I was just happy-go-lucky wandering around Discord and I saw someone claims, and I saw someone claim a proof of twin primes. Well, you know, I think this is a case of wherever you are in the world, there is someone that can do it better. But is it actually a verified proof? Like, is the proof valid? Has it been peer-reviewed? Otherwise, there's still room for hope. You're not well. No. He's nowhere near a proof. Okay, that's good then. So you didn't get nerd sniped. Or wait, is crank a term for like an idiot? Wait. Maybe I. Holds rigid, unconventional beliefs that contradict mainstream consensus. Oh, so that's what this is about. I have no idea what the code is actually doing. Well, that sounds like a ChatGPT kind of situation, no? I bet ChatGPT doesn't know what ChatGPT probably didn't know what it proposed to the guy, the crank that was presenting the code to you to read. So I'm not sure. Of something. That sounds like a classical ChatGPT case. It compiles, but it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make logical sense to put a button there or whatever, you know? Would you suspect him of having used ChatGPT to nerd snipe you? To find the pair of primes? In the paper, I can see the GPT fingerprints on it. It's like it's very clear that he knows some math, and it's also very clear that the precise moment when he stopped understanding. Oh, so he acknowledged that he used ChatGPT. Okay. It's on page 8. I have to refresh and recompile. Let's see. Is this the wrong document? I think it's like this is the Twitch community one, but yeah. Give me a second, Stucky, okay? I might not read for 3 minutes. Okay, so I need to memorize this. To create a program that directly communicates with the hardware of a computer, it would be very difficult and a monstrous task. No, it would be extremely hard to make code that directly talks to the physical components of a system, which because it would be extremely difficult, a monstrous task, and it is error prone. And an operating system is simplifying this. These are the basics, but this is also okay. So you have the physical device. You just have to remember, like, obviously I know this, but like the terms, you have the physical device, you have a microarchitecture, you have machine code, you have the operating system. Like, sure, we can make that type of distinction. Then you have the compiler. I think we're already in user space now. Yeah, compilers run in user space. Editors, command, and no, okay, wait, this is still considered system. Part of the system commands, editors and command interpreters, and then we have web browsers. These are clearly applications. Good. Okay, let me rephrase that. So we have the hardware. We have, I'm trying to recollect. We have hardware. We have microcode. We have microarchitecture, my bad. Microcode. We have hardware. We have microarchitecture. We have the operating system. We have system application, and we have applications. Oh, I forgot this one. Machine language. All right, I'm done with this. What else is here? Virtual machines. I think that's all I have to I have to rehearse this a couple minutes and then I'm done. Anyways, I have to go again, so I'm just gonna read these real quick and then I'll see. Yes, I did not upload the crank paper on the stream project overleaf. Ah, I see. Hey, Jack, good morning. Who do we raid, Jack? Is Muna about to go live? Can I finally raid her again? Wait, let me check. What are you up to? No. Aw. Ah, la la. Well, let me see. Or Enstuki, I could raid you. That will fit, you know? I think who else could be live? Like from science and technology, I think no one is live currently, which is kind of sad. Most of the streamers right now are in Overwatch. Fizzbuzz. I'm so glad I saw Fizzbuzz again. I think that was yesterday. He finally had a stream after like what, 3 months, apparently, which explains that I didn't see him in so long. But yeah, we'll see. Oh, Lemon. Okay, we'll raid Lemon. It's been a while. Why not? That's actually perfect. She's also in science and technology. Let's go. Raid. Gaming for Hope? No. I'm not big enough for Gaming for Hope. I'll raid Frogger any day. If Frogger has 30,000 viewers, I'd do it again. But Gaming for Hope, that's too high. You know, Gaming for Hope, like, oh, it's a whole different ball game. I'll snipe him. Well, I bet you do. Clip it, please. Sayanaki, you have to clip it. Such a sword stream for Suna. It's kind of sus. I'll return. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for being here. Make sure to say hi to Lemon. And, well, good luck, Sayanaki. Snowy, and it was a pleasure to talk again, Enstuki. And sorry if I messed your name up. Anyways, I gotta run. Bye-bye. See ya.
Oh, he's going on about bot accounts still. Okay, gotcha.
When I play Overwatch.
That is the funniest thing to me, bro. You're claiming number one that you have kids, which we know for a dang fact no one would have slept with you. And then the other thing that's wild to me is that you're actually roasting.
And that's the time to be nervous.
Like, that is so crazy.
I'm like, I don't know if I'll ever go, but thank you for the review. I'll keep it in mind. Hi, Waffle. 47.
It's cool.
Oh, you did not. Wait, don't be friends.
Let's go. That was really annoying. I'll see.
Potential bad message.
Okay, there we go. And Guna, what do I actually do with Suna Stellar? You'll find out soon, okay? Yeah. Think about a redeem. Think about a redeem you. Anyways, bye bye. Post stream end. Good night.